Hey, we're back. Are we back? Can you hear me? Wait, did it actually die or did it just go blank? Did it just go black with no audio? Can you guys hear me or not? That is the question. The rip animation. Black screen. Oh yeah, no, it didn't crash. That was just it was a black screen with no audio. Yeah. Because my mic wasn't set up. It didn't crash. It just had no audio. God damn it. You guys made me kill OBS for no reason. Fuck. Oh, god damn it. You made me kill OBS for no reason. What a good meme. Okay, so that... Alright, there's the BSOD thing. It was dark for a long time. Yeah! I just didn't realize I wasn't transmitting audio, but the stream was still live. It just wasn't transmitting any video. Okay. That should be all the stuff from here. Is there anything else here I can utilize? God, I love that. Yo, Hispanic!
Did you just
Subscribe to the... Hispanic, thank you for the 47-month subscription. I appreciate it. Get some spices in the chat. Hell yeah. How you doing, Hispanic? How you doing? So let's do a .png search, and that should have the transparent what image in it. Hopefully it has the what image in it, because we need that. You know what? I'm just gonna do this to be careful. I'm just gonna do that, just to be cautious. Why the fuck are there all these... Oh, the emotes aren't being removed at the end of their animation. They're not actually being deleted. God damn it. Why not? Also, the MSN thing isn't working either. Married with Pets, send it through. Okay, so where is the what images overlay? Oh, there it is. That was easier than I thought. Where's Crabrave? I could add Crabrave back in, because that motherfucker's easy. It's just add media file. Minesweeper as well, I should re-implement that, because that's a bitch. What else do we have? Oh yeah, the music player with the visualizer on there. And that's just all those. Icons and shit. Guess we could try Nuke. Bring Nuke back over. There it is. Nuke.mov. Should be alright. That's the light and everything. Tactical nuke incoming. Oh, it really doesn't want to play that back. Cool. Alright. So yeah, they aren't being deleted, which is really... Some of them are being deleted. It's buggy, but we're getting there. Okay, so let's get this intro animation going. Let me turn desktop back on. There we go. Look at the hype train thing. Look at the hype train thing up top. How fucking clean is that? The levels are going, it'll tick up, and then stuff will happen, and each time it levels up, it'll do a little confetti or some fireworks. Like, what the fuck? That's so clean. It's so fucking clean. Oh, where is fireworks? Because that's a browser source. Where the fuck is fireworks? That's a good question. How did I have fireworks in here? Where was that fucking thing? Fireworks show? Which one was it? Let me just try adding this to OBS. Give me a sec. Honk. Does this work? I think it is, but I don't have any sound. That should be fine. Did I edited a version of it, didn't I? Is that this one? I think that was this one. I've been really playing the Yakuza like Dragon. We're waiting for New World to come out. Ooh, hyper looks great. Guessing the intensity of the light border is going to increase. The hype goes up. Oh yeah, so it's at the moment it has no sort of glow on it, but it's going to have a glow on it. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Well, that's definitely working. Oh, it's so loud. Fuck, that's loud. Okay, did I copy that? Cool. Good lord. Yeah, that scared the fuck out of me. It wasn't making noise. And I clicked it and it was like, oh, your eardrums will bleed. Yeah. My eardrums bled as well. Fuck. I have the power of God and anime on my side. So I need to store level. Yeah. So if I put it outside here, let prev level equals 0. And then when this, let prev level, fuck it. And then in here, prev level equals level. If, no, I do it the other way around. Prev level equals level after. So if prev level does not equal level, yeah, prev level does not equal level, then we need to run a generic sound. Generic sound, and that takes a string, which would be power of God and anime on my side. Plus math.random. Cool. Comma, and then the file location, which is the power of God and anime on my side. Ah. Sounds. Do I have that here? I have the power of God and anime on my side. Ah! I still hate this controller. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you guys know how to change it. What do you want it? Donkey Kong? You just want it called Donkey Kong? It is added. I have added it. Donkey Kong has been added. It should work, but give me a sec to check and confirm that that worked correctly. Oh, it needs to be all caps. That's right. Yep. What's the other one? Someone added one just before. What was it? Someone just added a sound effect. What was it? Can't change the background. Oh, you right. You fucking right. Someone just added a fucking thing. Oh, it's hotted boobs. I don't think I said it correctly. Oh, no, it is. It's all caps. Okay. I'm just going to change the wallpaper. And there's code that should update it dynamically as well, which is good shit. Mm-hmm. Everybody's in the front to the back now. What? Okay. Images. Yeah, so if I change it, what is that image? That's the wallpaper at the moment. But you know what I can do now? It updates in real time. It's a really cool meme. So if I just update the image that's in this folder, it should update properly. So if I go back into streaming, and then I find that original XP image, because I love it. There it is. Replace. It updates dynamically in OBS and doesn't resize it properly because the code has changed. Wallpaper. Did we do that? Ah, we did, but it's using the wrong stuff. Yeah. I'm guessing this.source.setProperties isn't working. Oh, it's set settings now, isn't it? No, it's set properties. Yeah. Oh, scale is a fucking object. Scale X and scale Y is wrong. This is all fucking wrong. Lamau. This code is so fucking old. This was like one of the first things we wrote. Good lord. Forgot about this. Yeah, I really forgot about this, Lamel. Alright, so if I just overwrite that again, it should do what I want. Maybe. Whoops. So if I set it to something else and then change it back, it should work. Wallpaper. Okay. Oh, it's a JPEG. Fuck off. Okay, I'll use this one instead. Oh. Oh, it's because there's already one called that. You bastard. How you doing, Hedgehog Kel? Look like I know what a JPEG is. I just want a picture of a goddamn hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. You ready to see a more cursed image? It's so cursed. But why isn't this working? Why isn't this working? File is undefined. Is that the issue? Is it throwing an error? It's not throwing an error. It's just not setting the properties correctly. I guess it should always be wallpaper. Doesn't need to be this. Handle wallpaper change, which is called there, which should then just be main scene dot items dot wallpaper dot, I guess, set source dot set properties. His dad kind of looks like he could also be Colin Mockery. God. I get, no, is that, oh, is that settings? No, because yeah, we want to set the scale. Yeah. Okay, so that should work. Set properties, which will take in scale X, Y, number, which image size width, which is image size is being calculated there. And then it should be console logged. Is that not console logging? I don't think this is being called. I don't think this is being called anywhere. Huh. That's a good point. Because that stuff isn't being run. Huh. Why is this not working? Asset image wallpaper. PNG, yeah. Wait, why isn't this being run? What the fuck? And do we get to redeem a background? Once the code's not fucked, which it's always fucked. So that's a good question. That's a good question. Yeah. See, so it should be rescaling it, but it's not even calling the logic. Which it should be. Sounds. Yeah, this file isn't even being called. Wait, why isn't that listener working? What the fuck? So you can see right here, it's meant to be listening to that file. And then on change, it's meant to be emitting. But it's not. If wallpaper equals undefined, but it's not. What? Why has this suddenly stopped working? It was working. Bruh. My scuff.stream link's back here. Yep. There sure is. Okay, so back to Hype Train then, because this is just fucky wucky. We can do more of this. So, I don't want to do Pokemon. That should be level up. Level up plus math random. And then if I go back to source, assets, sounds. I guess he's not here. Is he part of the other one? He might be part of the other one. Should we just make the level up play the train horn? I guess that can work. Like a shortened version of that on level up. Yeah, I'll make a shortened version of it for each. I love my microphone going flat in the middle of a sentence. Lamau. That makes me moist. I guess let's bring that in. Where is it? Yeah, train horn. Whoop. And just crop it to the front. Square physics, yeah. Alright, so let's crop this ending off, delete it. So it'll just do the on level up. It'll do this. I could probably make it fade out a bit, actually. So I'll crop it off here. Because that's when you start getting the chugging. But then I can fade this out. Because there'll usually be a lot of other shit going on. So that needs to go into this location, which I can't paste there because it fucking hates me. I love it. No, this needs to be MEMEDOWS. 2 MEMEDOWS. Packages, client, source, assets, sounds, level up .mp3. Cool. Audacity, fuck right off. Alright, so this should be assets. How do we call asset previously? Okay. Sounds level up .mp3. So now whenever it levels up, it should play that sound effect. Theoretically. Whether that actually functions like that is to be seen, but we'll find out. So that doesn't appear to be doing anything at all. Why is that not triggering? The fuck? What the fuck? Is this even being triggered? Console.log. All sub to the same people. Lamau. New level. So what is priv level? Is it being redeclared, I guess? But it should be getting set. Alright, so it is running this. Generic sound just isn't playing. It's called level up, right? Capital L. Why isn't that throwing an error saying file not found? That should really do that. I love it not working. Generic sound. Why don't you want to play? Level up. What? It's just not being added. Why isn't that being added? Specified source doesn't exist. Yeah, cool. So why isn't it being added? Generic sound, what are you doing? Oh, this is old, isn't it? I think that's what it is. I think this is just old code. Yeah. Media source. Await new scene. Yeah. Oh, yep. I mean, we don't have to do sound scene, and we could just add this source to main, right? Yeah. Remove does not exist on media source. What? What? What do you mean? Oh, remove is for a scene, delete is for a scene item or a source. Okay. Yeah, that should work. I need to set its position, which should be... Where does filters close out? Filters closes there, so then I can do... settings? No. Oh, it goes up there with that, with local file. No, properties? How do I declare media sources anywhere else? Or are these gonna break as well? These might be fucked too. Oh no, it just goes right at the bottom. Comma. Position. X should be 9999. Y should be 9999. Cool. Position is declared, but its value is never read. What? It's part of media source. No, it's not. Media source should be, yeah, right before position. What? Matt is in achievement on array adjacent. Wait, who? What? What now? This is exactly how it's formatted over here. I'm so confused. Oh, wait, scene.add item. So I need to do that equals await scene main scene dot add item, and then it should be called what's this for? This is generic sound, so this should be generic. I guess source name, we could use that. Yep. Source name, comma, open object, new goes down there. Source. I guess this can just be importing change file to main scene. Oh, that's all it was. Cool. Source. Source basically has type any because it does not have a type animation. Annotation is referenced. Source thing. Yeah. Is Filthy Frank gonna be broken then? How do we do it with Filthy Frank? Oh, it's making a new scene for all of them. Is it? Wait, does each Filthy Frank have its own scene? He should just be on main.
It's time to stop,
Oh,
okay?
it is. Wait,
No
why are we
more.
making new
Because
scenes?
no
Why aren't we
more.
just adding the media source?
No more. Just no more. It's time to stop. It's
Huh.
time to stop. Look
Why
at this
am I
fucking
doing
thing.
that?
It's set to 420. The hands on the clock are
How are we
losing their
doing the
damn mind.
emotes?
It's time to stop. It's time to stop. This clock is fucking huge. It's time to stop.
Yeah, there's now 19 different Filthy Franks, including that one. What does it add to main? Here. So it should just work like this. So why the fuck isn't it? Oh, we don't need to call this. Because it's already there. Why can't I set this on it? Oh no, back here is angry. Expected comma. Why? So media source finishes there. Right, so that's the media source. Then you do a comma. And then it goes to this one, goes to there. That goes to nowhere. Ah, okay. There we go. And then source.name cannot find source because it's called source thing now. .name doesn't exist. Source thing dot source.name. Yep. Okay, let's see if this works now. So this is create sound. Does this now work? I don't know if these monitor and outputs work, but I feel like it should. Oh, it works again. And then if I do this. Yes, it works. Sounds are back. Let's go. Sounds are back. I fixed it. There, look at me, master fixer. I am magic. We should theoretically be able to do the same thing with Frank then, which should make things a lot easier. But I guess, yeah, Filthy Frank shouldn't need to be making scenes. It just needs to make a source on main. Yeah, I don't know why I was doing that. Why are we making a new scene for each of these? That just seems really redundant when we can just add a media source to main. Because it's not being referenced anywhere else. Let me try porting this to Frank. Because then I can get rid of this. Alright, so. New media source. The name is name? Oh, so that's a thing already, yeah. Is name? FF name. Just so it's an easier source thing to pick up on. File path will be... What are we using for file path here? Local file. Cool. And then audio limiter is the same. And we have to put a chroma key on it as well. Okay. And then its position and stuff was being set. Oh, we don't need to set it, and it should just default. Instead of name, it should be FF name. Yep, and then we don't need to add it to main anymore. And then this should just be FF scene. No, FF source. Source dot items. Oh, does that have a name? No. Yep, source dot name. And then we don't have to do FF scene delete. So Frank should be a lot cleaner now. And I should probably do the same thing for donations too. because it's doing it in a really weird way. Ah, the position needs to be yeeted off of that, because I don't want the position. I don't want it getting set to the middle of fucking nowhere for Frank. Can you try doing Filthy Frank for me, gamers? Just to make sure he's working. Otherwise, I will have to set him to 960 by 540. Is Franku working? Hey, he works! Let's go! Alright, now to do that for donation. Donation has some weird stuff, though. Yeah. Oh, it is doing that. Yeah, yeah. I'm doing the same thing for donations, because it's just fucking easier. But will this be angry? Items don't exist on source. Main scene items. Window to add. Dot source. Dot items. Dot content. Dot source. Ooh, this is gonna be tricky. It should still work. It just is angry. Source doesn't have that. Like a scene? No, it should be source. What does this have then? Dot. Wait. Dot items. Dot scene. Dot items. No, wait, what? It should be dot source dot items. Or do we just do window to add as the initializer? Because we are... Or dono video... No, because where are we adding it? It should be able to be added on as a thing. You know, I'm just gonna leave the code that I had there, but the syntax stuff has definitely broken this a bit. So I think donations are broken for the time being because source doesn't have items, even though it's a scene. Wait. Let me just go through hard-coded. So main scene dot items dot, let's say chat. Wait, chat isn't here. Wait, what? What? Wait. But the scenes don't show up here. Oh, something's definitely wrong. But wait, no, but Hype Train is a source. But chat window just doesn't show up. Wait, what? Wait, but Hype Train is a thing. Dot source dot items. Wait. Why does chat window or webcam window not exist on here? What? Would we just reference it as that one? Can I go like webcam? No, chat. What's chat called in main? Chat window. Is chat window. So then would I just reference it as chat window? Do I need to import it? No, I can't import it because it's not an export. But that should be part of main. What? Main scene dot... Let me put this on a button push and see what happens. Stream Deck, what do you got for me? I'll just put it on Hype Train end because fuck it, it's already there. That's so weird. Actually, I'll put it on Yeet because fuck it. Console.log main scene dot items dot should be chat window dot, but it is there. Wait, but it doesn't show up. Bruh. What the fuck? Camera window dot items dot source dot items. But why doesn't that have items? See, this is the issue. It should have items because it's a scene, but it doesn't. So what happens if I hit yeet? What do we get console logged? Yeah, it has it there. It has items. So donation should still work. I mean, it won't at the moment for some of them. Some of them will work, but that's fucking weird. That's really fucking weird. We're back, memes. You guys are listening to music. Look at that. And then it goes away. It's so clean. I don't think I did, no. Look at this. It's so fucking good. So that's not all we're gonna have as well. So whenever someone adds to a hype train, right? Let me go to hype train. So I need to now make a new bit of code. Emotes capped? To a degree. Yes. The easiest way I can stop it from crashing is to just turn off motion blur on them. Or else it will crash. Yo, Panda, how you doing? Do, 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 do. That's right, I got distracted. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add the intro screen. So let's go to main. Do, 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 do. Alright, so on to main. All this stuff. We should declare the starting screen in main. You put motion blur on? Motion blur has been on my, like, chat has rotational motion blur. Look at the webcam thing. Like, chat and stuff, they have, so we only have rotational motion blur. Which looks fucking sick. Okay, so we need to add the starting soon screen. Or our starting screen in general. So, I guess we make a new scene. Yeah. So let's make a new scene. Const starting scene equals new scene. Now you guys can see me making a scene from scratch. Name. Starting desk. Items. And then we want to have, so desk, which will be a source, and it's a new image source. Taste to love. Name is desktop. Oh, no, that can be a thing. So that'll also be called desk, comma. What do I need to pass this? File, yes. No? Ah, settings. No, not set timeout. Settings, file, which will be asset. And the file location is, go back over to here. We can go to assets, starting. Not all of these are actual starting images, but I think it's background intro. Yes. So asset dot, so I think let me look for chat. How have we done it? File. Okay, how else do we use asset? Sweet taste of love. Okay, so we don't need the slash, so I can just do that, and then starting, and then /. Shit, what was it called again? Yeah, so it's in starting with a capital S. Starting, and then / is background intro.png. Yo, Garadax. What's poppin'? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? File. That should be all I need to pass, because that should automatically go full size. Yeah. So there's desk, and then we put a comma on that, and then we do... What else do we add into it? Do. Then we also want to put in, I think it's computer loop. Computer loop. No. What? Oh. The song started playing on Spotify at the exact same time. God damn it. So where's the office? Ah, intro loop. Is this what I was using? No. Was it? Hold up. I'm changing scene collection. It might crash again, but it shouldn't. If it's just a black screen, it's not actually crashed. Ahoy hoy. It hasn't crashed. It's just this. Okay, so where's that? Audio. Background L streaming windows with background intro. Ah, that's the sound that used to loop. Yep. Okay. We'll be back. Swapping again. Yep, there we go. Oh, it's so angry. Okay. I will stop then if it's time. I just love doing this. The hype train meter looks so fucking sick. It's so fucking good. I don't know if it actually works on a real hype train, but it looks so good so far. Beep, pop, boop. Okay, so we need to use Background intro, yes. We'll find out eventually exactly. So I need to load in background intro also. So this will be office sound. Oh no, just so. Okay. Office sound. Which is a new. Oh no, source is new media source. Yeah. Wait, why is source angry? Oh, it's missing the star. Yeah. Name is office sound. Settings. Wait. This is exactly the same. Wait, what does a media source fucking look like then? Bruh. Name, settings, yeah. What? Why is this angry? What? Following properties from type source filters. Type sets settings, type name, settings, and 21 more. What? Do I just need to keep writing? Is that why it's angry? Because yeah. It's source, new media source. Oh, it's media. No, that's right. Name and then name. Yeah, office sound, settings. Local. Should be local file. Why is this being dumb? What? What the fuck? New scene. One thing. New scene. Multiple things here. Oh, that one needs its properties. Ah, the one before it needs properties. Oh, you memers. What if I just don't want to pass them? Position. X. 960. Y. 540. That should be it. And then this is desk. So this is all desk. And then I should just be able to put another one below it. What the fuck? Yeah, and then office sound is a new one. It's a source. Property source, which is clear on type. What the fuck? New scene. Chat items. Oh. No. Yeah, background source. Then a comma, then chat. Is an object source. Yeah, what the fuck? What the fuck? So that's the image source. And then desk is here and it has all these properties. And then we should be able to put the next one after it. What? The fuck? What the fuck? Chat scene. Exact same syntax. Starting scene. Name. Items. Desk. Yep. Open bracket. Source. New image source. Exactly the same. Name. Desk. Chat background. Comma after it. Settings. Open bracket. File. Cool. comma, close bracket, comma, they're there. Position, open. This thing. Alignment, correct, comma, rotation, comma. And then we should be able to just put another one here. Bruh. The fuck? Name settings. What? The fuck? What? Oh, it's using the wrong fucking media source. Media source isn't imported properly. It's using the JavaScript media source instead of our one. Alright, so... Well, that'll fucking do it. Says that settings, closes. And then... Yeah, fucking JavaScript, am I right? Position... X. Y. That doesn't really matter, because that's just a sound file, so that can be fucked off to the middle of nowhere. And then we want to initialize a new scene within that scene. Or I guess it could be sources. But we also want this one to be visibility 0. So comma and then visible false. So we don't want it playing, and then we'll set it true once we load it. No, this one actually we want true. The one we want false is another media source that'll play after this. So what is this? This closes here, so we do a comma, and then we do another one. So then this is screen, which is a source, and it's a new media source again. Hopefully it doesn't fuck up this time. Name is screen, settings, local file, asset, starting / and then it would be called BIOS post.mov. And this is where it gets tricky. Position, right, should be around the middle. So let's do 960 by 5. Yeah, we're gonna object X 960, comma, Y 540. And then its scale. I need to put a comma. Scale is a good question. Is 0.3 or 2 even? Y 0.2. And then another comma, and then visible. We can set true for now, but that's going to become false later. I guess I can just try adding this and see how it looks. So down here, I just do main scene.add. Where are we adding to main scene? Oh yeah, I can just do this. Starting screen, starting source. And that is called starting source, I believe. Yep. Oh, starting scene. Let's try it and see if it works. Will it add them into main? Ooh, okay, so see the little BIOS thing. Now I just need to tweak its settings until it aligns properly. But we're getting there. Okay, so... Can you guys hear it? Oh, yeah, I need to set this thing to be monitoring so I can hear it. Because you guys can hear it at the moment, right?
Do you want a full reference number? 646. Line up process. Walking there.
Does that work? Okay, so BIOS is gone. Current property source of undefined. What? Office sound is a source. What do you mean undefined? That is this line, right? Yeah, index main 320. Yeah, what the fuck? Dot office sound dot source dot name.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
What? The fuck? Okay, what is... Well, that's probably undefined, but what is this? Why is that undefined? What? 353. Why is that empty? What? Why is starting scene empty? What? It's a scene.
Do you want a full reference number?
Why does it have no items? What? What? Main, what are you smoking? Apparently, starting scene is empty, even though it's a constant and has all of this in it. Apparently, items is empty. There's no items in this scene that exists, and I'm making a new scene that exists. Bro, what? Okay, so items has items now, which is good. So what the fuck was going on down here? That was so weird. What the fuck was that? Starting scene dot items dot office sound. Does that exist? Undefined. Why? It was just there. Office sound is here. You fucking what? Hold up. Hold up. Wait, it exists only the first time I load it? Hold up. So it's here, right? It's here. But then it's not if I reload the code. It is gone. It's now been wiped. It's now undefined. What? The fuck? The fuck? What? That doesn't make any fucking sense. You what? My dude? What? If I delete it from OBS, it exists. If it's in OBS, it doesn't exist anymore in our code. In what universe does that make any sense? This is what I mean by there's just a lot of bugs with the code where it just doesn't work. It's so fucking weird. So I need to move this up, but I can't move it up. So it works on the first load and then breaks every time after that. Even though it's a constant, it's being overwritten. So weird. It's a constant. It shouldn't get. It should be always referenceable, but it's saying it's just empty, which is fucking weird because it's a constant. Like that shouldn't be a thing. Like the fuck? Let's try 0.5 and 0.5. Will it re-add the media source? It doesn't. That's good as well. It's because starting desk just doesn't fucking exist anymore. It's always fun. Bruh. Alright, so there's the BIOS thing. Can I move it to the left a bit? Let's set it to 800. I'm just gonna get rid of this set audio monitor type because it apparently is fucked. And it's causing it all to crash. Why is it not re-adding that? Like, what the actual fuck? Like, what the actual fuck? I can't edit this. What? It's not modifying the source. So fucking weird. I have to delete it from OBS to have it be rewritable. I've never seen this before. Alright, so that's a little bit too far. Let's try 730. I'd love to be able to iterate on this faster, but it just doesn't want to fucking work. Bruh. Is that centered? Okay, let's up the scale a bit. Let's just set it to 1. See where that gets us. Okay, so that's way too big. Oh, is the alignment fucked? Oh, it is. The alignment's being dumb. Hey, there we go. So, scale, let's try 0.7. What? Hold up. Let me just make it loop. Because then I can just tell it where to go in OBS and then go from there. Okay, so 866 by 624. Then we can play with scale from there. 0.7 is almost on the money though. Alright, let's increase that to 0.8. Ooh, almost there. Okay, 0.75. Oh, that's damn close. 0.74. Okay, and then a little bit to the left and a little bit up. $865, $623. Okay, yo, Boba, how you doing?
Do you want a full reference number?
Okay, let me try this. Okay, that's looking almost dead on the money. Why does it look weird here? Okay, so I think the height needs to be... The height needs to be more than the width. So let's do 7.6. Doing good, just getting the starting screen working, hopefully. But it's being fucky. Loop is not a thing on media source? Oh, that's not good. It's been a minute since I was here last. Yeah, you're all good. You're all good. Hopefully Brendan wakes up soon so that I can fix some more of these bugs that are plaguing the code. Alright, let me try this scale. A little bit wider. A bit taller. Oh no, that should be that and that should be that. I think I did it the wrong way. Okay, so a little bit to the left. 864. And then a little bit taller. Oh, that's looking close. A little bit skinnier. Oh, that's looking almost spot on the money. I think it needs to be a little bit taller. Or just up a bit. Oh, that's very close. That looks pretty dead on the money. Something I didn't realize, I could just flip the ordering and it should put it underneath. So if I make that the first thing, like before the image source, it should work. And put it underneath, and then I don't have to worry about all this fucking around. It's so weird. It's just deleting sources if they're already in OBS. There we go. Now it's underneath. And then we need to try the animation. Oh, this is a hardware. Oh, we don't have any of these. Yeah, hardware decode. What do we have on media source actually? What settings are on here? Deep partial of settings. But which deep partial? Local file hardware decode. That's it? Oh my god. Okay, so we don't have enough stuff here for media sources either. That's missing a lot of settings. And unfortunately, I can't do anything about that. Join the streams more often if I could, but my job is in the way. No, that's all good. That's all good. Okay, so I can't really do this because apparently it doesn't want to let us. Which is good fun. Good fun. Where do I put filters? Where have I got filters? Alright, so it goes after settings and then filters. This is add item. Can you not add it to this? Wait. Oh, because this doesn't receive settings. Can we not put filters on here? Add item. Does that receive filters? I don't see filters. Oh yeah, source filters. Hey Frank, how you doing? Same though. No, that doesn't seem right. So that's that bracket. So it should, yeah, it should be here, and then filters, and then it should be an object here that then gets to close out that. Why the fuck can't it find filters? Is it gonna, yo, good? Thanks for stopping in. Have a good one. Oh, does that need to go here? No. Huh. How do I add a filter? How do I do it in wheel spin? That'll tell me. Actually, register motion blur is doing it. Item source.add filter. Okay, we're doing it that way. Main scene dot items dot chat window. No, we want to do it on starting screen. Yeah.
I'm under what?
I'm under what? Oh, we can just do starting scene dot
democracy manifest. What is the charge? Eating
source
a meal? A succulent
scene
Chinese meal?
add filter. Huh?
Get your hand off my penis!
But it should have a source because it's a scene. Main scene dot items dot starting scene dot source dot add filter. Oh yeah, there we go. So add filter. How do we do that here? CRT, comma, new, shader filter. Name is CRT. Settings. Yeah, set timeout. That's really what I want. From file. True. What else does this have here? Shader file name. Would be... Where else do I use the shaders? I guess I use it in Rainbow. Are they not working? Oh, uh-oh. Give it a sec. Oh, status code 401. Oh, it's angry. It's really angry. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Oh, I can't access them anymore to change it. Do you run a Nintendo Switch? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh yeah, my camera's busted again. Lamau. I might have to wait for Brendan to wake up before I can do any more coding, because it seems we've run into a lot of issues. And a lot of limitations and bugs that I need to figure out syntax with him. Yeah. Oh, it's the big suck, unfortunately. Because yeah, there's a lot of shit that just... This is a big bug here where one of the consts is just being erased. And I have to fucking reinitialize it every time, which is a pain in the fucking ass. And I can't get filters to work. Which is fun. A lot of fun. Yeah. It's good fun. Client, source. What did I do? Filters here. Data? What's it part of? Filters index TS. No, it should be filters TS. There it is. Yo, Ultimate Nerd, how you doing? No, that's not what I want either. Where is this file? Sorry, Melancom. You just don't do .mp4. You don't have to put the MP4 on there. Oh god. Yeah, you just do beef. See, this doesn't have all of them. Where the fuck is that file? Oh, it's not part of OBS framework. So it should just be part of MEMEDOWS. Filter. Actually, no, I can just go shader. Yes. New. Should be user defined. I guess it is just shader filter. Brendan changed it. That's right. Shit. I don't know what the syntax is anymore. Let's go check out his repo. Go check out Simple OBS and see what we're working with. Packages. Simple OBS. Source. Filters. Nope. Shader. Nothing. What? What do you mean nothing matches shader? Wait, what? What the fuck? What are your favorite Switch games? Breath of the Wild. 100%. 100%. Wait, where the fuck are these declared? Wait. Yeah. So this is shader settings. Huh. It's the other game I played and I loved it. It was so good. Like, it was just so fucking good. Okay, so it's here. Use shader filter CRT from, yeah, shader file name. Should be a good question. Does that work? Is that just gonna throw more errors because it doesn't fucking exist technically? Does this have the filter on it? It does? Okay, browse. This is the wrong shaders. Shit. And we haven't added in support for that other shader yet. Oh god. I wonder if these would work. Let's find out. Fucking damn it. Why is it so fucking buggy? You bastard. Okay, does starting desk have the filter I want? Let's find out if this will work. Nope, that one doesn't seem to work on this. Does the other one work? I guess not. These use different effects. Bruh. Bruh. I have to use the other shader. So I have to build up all its types. Yay! Shader types are fun. Ugh. Okay, so I can't use that one for it. And I don't know how well animating is going to work. So let's delete that. Add shader. Okay. Browse. Shaders, filter, add, shader, okay, browse, shaders, filter, scan lines, add, shader, add, filter, shader, filter, pixelation. It's good fun.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Okay, so let me grab these three shaders off it with a key. Bing. So if I go back to Stream Deck, if I go to Stream Deck, there it is, and then on key push, I want to do some stuff on yeeting. Yeah. Oh yeah, I already have it here. Awesome. So instead of big progress bar, I want it on starting desk, and I want to get the info. Have you watched Star Wars Visions? Not yet. Shader 3. Alright, give me a sec while I log all this data, because I need all of these. It's good fun. So I need to do Shader 3 and then another one.
You want a full reference?
Comma.
646.
Actually, I can just do multiple console logs, so I have them on separate lines. Yep. Yeah, I haven't watched it yet, but I want to watch it. Shader and Shader 2. See if this works. That console log, fucking nothing. I love it. Oh, it's because starting desk is fucked. Because it hates me. Watching the first one by Trigger at the moment is good soup. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, mate. Good shit. Oh, we just removed all the fucking filters I added. Oh, no. No, stop doing that. Okay, so now I need to add it back in. So we have shader, yes. Browse, shader, filter, CRT curvature, add, shader, add, browse, shaders, filter, CRT scanline, add, shader, okay, browse, shaders, filter, pixelation, cool. Close, push button, get them all console logged, easy. Copy those in. Copy object, I'm just gonna put in the coding.
You want a full reference number? 646.
Oh, because none of these are changed, they're not writing. God damn it. Why does it hate me? I have to change all the settings to get them to fucking populate properly. There we go. Now I need to do that for all of these. Yay! If you don't change them, they don't populate. Isn't that just the best?
You want a full reference number?
Doesn't that just make you happy? Sure makes me happy. Totally. I'll refresh this, it'll kill everything. Hey, there we go. But it also kills starting desk because it's fucked for some reason, and I don't know why. Everywhere that's referenced, comment it out. Now I have to type up the type declarations for all the other ones. Yay! Yeah, good fun. Good fun. Da 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 da. Da 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 do 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 do. Ba 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 ba. Do 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 do. Ba-ba-da, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Now to type up all these type declarations. Chat, get the fuck out of here. Is the webcam fucked? You know it. You know it. Export class. Other shader. So there's shader user defined. So user shader filter and then just shader filter. Yeah. User shader filter. There we go. Yeah, ultimate nerd. Good soup indeed. T extends. Go. Shader settings. Extends. Filter. Now I need to declare shader settings. Yay. Shader settings is the only thing that it has is shader.file. Which is a string, and then we have the first one. I edited all of those. Yeah. Pixel scale. Oh, it's using pixelation. Where are the default ones? Bruh, where are the default ones? What are you doing? Bruh. Which is a number? No, it's a string. Ugh. I'm assuming width. Yep. Why it's a string, I'll never fucking know, but we'll find out, I guess, one day when shit goes to shit. And then we got shader.shader seed, but I don't think that'll ever be needed. Which I believe that one's just a number. Or an int? Just say number. We don't need this. We don't need this. I don't think we need any of these. Cool. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. Yeah, this is a whole fucking thing of not wanting to work. And me not understanding how this works. Shader. Non-abstract class. Shader filter. Does not implement inherited abstract member type from class filter. What do you fucking mean? Alright, so shader filter has... Oh, so it's got... I need to do type first. Wait, what is the type of this? Stream effects, filter shader. Wait. Yeah. And then... Shader file URL. Where is that used? Ah, that's there. So this is just a thing that's there. So we don't have that though. We have the alternative is shader file, which is then a string. Yes, that shouldn't be here. Oh, that needs to be a quote over here. Cool. And then we put in the constructor. Huh. How do I... Oh, I gotta do the thing. Yep. Settings. Oh, this just isn't there. It's just always needed. Ah, so that just isn't a... Yeah, no, we just always pass that through. This doesn't need a constructor because it's just always there. And then we have another one that is... export class CRT extends shader filter. Rainbow shader settings. Oh god. Ah, so I need to declare one of these. Instead of radar, it'd be CRT shader settings. Which extends shader settings. Yep. And then, so for the CRT one, which would have been this. What the fuck kind of naming on this is this? God damn. What the fuck? Bruh. What the fuck? So all of these are void. So for CRT, we have all of these. Number. All these nondescript as fuck names. God. God, I hate it. I really hate it. And then for this shader filter, it would be shader.file equals yeah. Is that the only settings you can pass it for that? I guess so. Huh. Damn. That's shit. And then we do export class pixelate extends shader filter pixelate settings. Interface pixelate settings extends shader settings. Number. I don't know how to specify that it has to be an enum. That's the only issue. Or that it can't be a, No, that's scanline. That's not pixelate. Ah, shit. Scanline. Shader. CRT shader. Go. On to the next one, which is now pixelate. Pixelate shader. And this one just has pixel scale. That's the only one. It's pixel scale. Yeah. So now I should be able to add in some of these onto it. Let's give it a try. See if I can apply these shaders or if it's gonna error. Let's find out. Okay, so shader filter. No, we want to do CRT shader. We don't need from file. We just need to give it. God, what is this fucking song? Give me a fucking headache. So we want to do strength, I guess. And set that to, I don't know, 10. See if that works. It'll be a good test.
That
didn't apply any of the settings. Oh, I may have misspelt shader. That'll do it. I misspelled fucking shader. Lamau. Let me delete it and then it'll probably be happier. And let's look at the console. It's not erroring, but also the shader isn't being populated with data. Why? The fuck's up with that? Hey, cutie. What's up? It's so nice in here, isn't it? What's up? What's up? You okay? Settings. Strength is 0. Oh, why isn't it passing the default settings? Wait. CRT shader is shader file is this. But that's just not being set. Why? What? Oh, because we're not constructing it with this. Yep. That's where shader filter has stuff in it. Yes. Okay. And we don't want an if statement, we just want to set it. This dot settings dot
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
that equals this dot. That should work. Does not exist on type. It's right there. What do you mean it doesn't exist? It's right here. What? What? It's right there. What? I guess I can just declare it up in here.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
What? It's declared. Let's just try that. What does it have set on it? Commit version strength. Why is this URL not being passed? Bruh. That's the constructor. Oh.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
I think I got it. Does this work? Fuck, let me delete it. Come on. Wait, where is starting desk? Oh, it's not being rendered because of this filter. What does it have applied to it? Still not those settings. Why the fuck not? Bruh. Let me get rid of the strength and see if it'll just pass it through. Okay. What? Why is this not constructing?
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
What the fuck? Yo, LW, how you doing? A little bit confused, but figuring it out. So this should be called from index TS on filters. Scene item. Wheel window, no, that's not, oh. Car pad filter blur, no, that's something else. Is this gonna console log? No, it won't. Fucking hell. So this just isn't running? What's filter args? That's being declared here, okay. If you sounds like me, I'm building a keyboard for the first time, hell yeah. That sounds fun. Few things, but nothing catastrophic or destructive. Cool, cool, cool. It should just be setting this. This is so dumb.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
This just isn't running, which is fucked. Why the fuck isn't this working? Bruh. What the fuck? It's exactly the same as this one. CRT shader extend shader filter. Shader filter's there. It's got the type on there. It's got shader file name as a string. We're passing through it here as a string. And then we're trying to set it to this. I'm pretty sure that accepts a string because that's what it has over here. Shader.shader.file. This is so fucking weird. Can I just hard code it?
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
So CRT shader name settings. Shader.shader.file is does that work?
You want a full reference number?
So that works. It's just not overriding it when I do it for some reason. Why? What? Oh. What the fuck? Why isn't this constructor working? It's exactly the same as what's going on here with Rainbow Shader. Rainbow Shader works. Why does this one not? This dot settings, and this just isn't being run because it's not console logging. That's a whole other fucking conversation. The console logs just aren't being run, which is really fucking weird. Console.log test shit here. Shit's... I'm trying constructors and they're breaking on me. I'll say that. We also found a number of bugs. We got a lot of bugs. The webcam's still fucked, which is one thing. I can't get the constructor to work on a new type of shader filter. It works if I pass it through manually. I tried to copy the constructor because there's two types of shaders. There's a Stream Effects filter shader, and there's the user-defined shader, which is a shader filter. So I've duplicated this basically, and I'm doing it for the new shader filter, but this isn't being run, even though I'm calling it here. And I'm passing it through.
Do you want a full reference number? 646. Line out process. One for there.
Also, I'm having a really weird bug in main scene. And the new scene that I made where it keeps getting wiped. You do new shader filter. Yeah? Oh, so I have to do new shader filter? Not CRT? Is it not run when I do new CRT? You're not awaiting add filter? No, that might do it, yeah. Wait, so CRT shader? Yeah, so I'm calling CRT shader. This console log isn't happening, but it's adding the shader. So if I save that, it runs through. No console log. No console log. Delete it. So it has to run it again. No console log. This constructor just isn't being run. Okay, so it is, but this... Okay, so shader file name isn't being passed. Yay, so I just put that one here. So I didn't have the if statement there before and it still wasn't working. But it looks like shader file name isn't being passed through.
Do you want a full reference number? 646. Line out process.
What?
One for there.
Test shit here, undefined. Like, I've literally just copied this and changed the words, but it's the same fundamentally. This one's because this one it's yep. There we go. Chat won't be in the way now.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Alright, now we can compare them side by side. Yeah. Rainbow shader, CRT shader, settings, shader settings, uses shader settings, shader filter, extend shader settings up there, and then this calls shader settings, extends filter. It's adding the filter, it's just not adding the file name.
Do you want a full reference number?
User-defined filter work properly? It's a good question. I assumed it was because I haven't touched it. Rainbow shader. No, it doesn't.
Do you want a full reference number?
I guess shaders are just broken now. Or at least the stuff that you did isn't applying properly. Huh. Oh, I have to... Wait, one sec. I have to say from file. No, it's not working. Rainbow filter isn't working anymore. I thought it was because it was previously, but I guess... Yeah, no, it's not working on that one either. Rip. So stuff's not being passed through. Okay, so... filters in general is broken. Messed up in the implementation. Okay. Cool. I'm glad that I didn't fuck it. Cool. Was it like a simple OBS implementation or the implementation in the filters thing? Also, hopefully we can figure out why the webcam is fucked. Because I'd like a webcam. That'd be nice. Are you able to voice chat or you just woke up?
Full reference number. 646. Line out process. Walk in there. Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Or do you want a live show? Because I have not committed in a very long time. I have a number of changes. Also, I need to go to that file. I need to sort out some of these files because some of them are way too big to upload to GitHub. Yeah, that's 113 megabytes, Lamau. That's a gig. Double Lamau. It's 182 mega. God damn. 160 meg. Alright, I can just put some of these files into there if they're too big. Yeah. View details size. Yep.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Alright, cancel, copy, paste. There you Yeah, I've not done a commit in a while, so stuff will be fucky. We got Hype Train working, which is pretty cool. Oh, and it's broken! Yeah. Look at it, it works! It's gorgeous! It's so nice! It just animates in, it animates out. I need to make a... I'm gonna just write up a list of bugs before I forget. Webcam linking. Webcam not init properly. List for me. Ignore. Webcam not init properly. What else was there? Weird bug with consts on main being voided. What else did we have? What else isn't working at the moment? Oh yeah, the animation properties not updating. I think they're the only ones at the moment. What other bugs did we run into earlier? We had the weird thing with that. The shader filter thing, but that's getting fixed at the moment. Everything else seems to be running fine. Yeah. Australia, we ran into something earlier, but I can't remember what it was. I don't know, so I fixed that one, I fixed this one. Okay, I fixed audio, I fixed that. I guess it's just that one really. Yeah, they're the main ones. Yeah. If I remove this filter, is it still fucked? Trying to see. Yeah, okay. Comment that out. Nope. Comment that out. Yeah, the video doesn't want to start playing again. Ah, yeah, stuff not being removed properly. Yeah. I'll just remove that from main for now. I'll go here and say g'day. Oh, my camera's not working because it crashed. That's right. I need to put this back in the other camera before I forget and lose the little SD card, because that would suck. Give me a sec. What? Nope, wrong way around. Whoops. Alright. Back into the tripod it goes. Go. Now won't lose my SD card, which is good, because that would suck. That would suck. Yeah. What have you memes been up to today? Ah, Brendan isn't here. Easy street. Really just the keyboard? Fair, fair. Fair, fair. But it's so... Who's recommend playing a bunch of Yakuza like a dragon? Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Roblox? Nice. Nice. Ooh, right now. Right now. Start of my long weekend? Hell yeah. Long weekends are great. Long weekends are very good. Right now. Okay. We can track Brendan. See what he's up to. So we can pin to him. Oh, the constructor needs to be there. Yep. Yep. Audio Monday, so 4-day weekend. Oh shit. Fuck yeah. Ken, that sounds awesome. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Ah. Yep. We didn't have to. Yep. Oh. Oh. Does that work? Does that fucking work? Bro, if that fucking works, that'd be funny as shit. I don't like the syntax, but it for sure works. Let's give it a try. Let me go to main and turn it back on. Let's see if it works. CRT shader. Why is this angry? Expected 2 arguments but got 1. An argument for file path was not provided. Oh, the constructor's expecting 2 still.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Come on. Yes! Let's go! Now I should be able to play multiple shaders. I think I have to do them separately though. Or can I apply multiple shaders at once? Or is add filter just do a single filter? So let's do scan line shader. I technically don't have to pass it anything. Pixelate shader. Is this gonna work? Okay, so that's starting. Add filter does one filter, yep. Okay, why is it angry now? It's not adding them. What? Ah, so this was an issue I was having. Maximum call stack size exceeded? Brendan? You know what? You know what? I'm just gonna, oh no. Wait. Yeah, wait. Okay, cool. They should be fine. Okay. I almost deleted the two that I want to keep. Yo. Hello, Reza. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. Maximum call stack size exceeded. Uh-oh. What the fuck does that mean? Huh. It applies one of the filters and doesn't want to apply the others. What's causing that? Index TS line 10 at merge deep utils. This is what it says. I'll be like, what line of code did you add? I added the other shaders. I put multiple shaders there with the weights on them, and that caused it to happen. Yeah, if I have multiple add filters, it does that. Yeah, if I have multiple add filters, it does that. That's an oof. Oh, it might have been because I didn't change the name. Hold up. That'll do it. Scan line. It's probably because I didn't change the name. Pixelate. Am I just dumb? I think so. Okay, so a separate bug. Why can't you add the filter directly to the source instead of using add filter? Ah, so there's something really fucky going on in main. Something really fucky going on with main. If the source doesn't exist, right? Like if it isn't in OBS, I can console log it. FN was taken. I'm working on just rebuilding MEMEDOWS. So a console.log, let me minimize chat. Console.log, where is it? It was starting scene. So if I console.log starting scene and there's nothing relating to starting scene in OBS, like if I delete the scene, starting desk, it console logs fine. Right? There it is. Scene item. No. There. Starting desk console logs. Let me just show you. Oh, get out of that cat. But yeah, so it's here. So here. Starting desk console logs. Now, if I don't change any of the code and I just restart the code, it's now just empty. Wait, is it not doing it anymore? What? Bruh. What? It's not doing it anymore. What the fuck? Okay, so I had a weird bug before where that would cause it to just disappear. And I don't know why. It would just it would just say no. It would say it's an empty thing. It's staying there now. What the fuck? Huh. Well, now I can add it to the thing. Oh, yes. Now I know why. I'm adding it to main scene. One sec. Yeah, I don't know what was up with that. So, how do I add it to a scene? On add scene. So, yeah, because this is where it gets added to main. I don't think I can put filters on an add item. Can I? Because I'm not going to have it there all the time. Filters aren't applied to items. Yeah. Applied to sources. So how do I... Scenes aren't sources? Scenes are sources. So do I apply it at the end of this? Like, would it go here? Oh, wait. So I can put it on the end of this instead. Oh, filter goes first. Ah, I couldn't figure out the fucking syntax. Ah. That'll be why. It was confusing me so much. Okay. Just check out filters are applied to other sources. I don't know if we have any that are being applied on in it. Ah, that's how it was. Oh, we are doing it with Hype Train. Right? No, we're not. Oh, we are, yes. But that's on big progress bar. Look at alert source. Where's alert source? Oh. Name settings, filter. Oh, filters. Filters. Bruh. No, I just need to fix the syntax of the last one, which would be pixelate. Ooh, that's not good. Now let me delete it to see if it's gonna stay there. Between reloads. Whose scenes they are sources to, yeah. I forgot we'd used it and I was like, shit, how the fuck did we do that? Yeah, didn't add them. Uh-oh. Reloads, yeah. Yeah. Why add the starting scene as an item to the main scene instead of just making it the current scene? Oh, because I'm just testing at the moment. Because I was setting up like where it's all meant to sit and stuff. Yeah, I just haven't gotten to that yet. Mango ice cream. The filters still don't want to apply. I'm not sure why. Oh. Something is very fucky. What? Okay. That's fucking weird. Yeah, those filters aren't being applied. Might just console log it and see what it says. See if our objects thinks it's there. I want more. Sarah, I want more ice cream. More. It's never enough. It's mango. So our code thinks they're there, they're just not being initialized. Okay, maybe one big one. One big bite of ice cream. Bruh. Yeah. Something with initializing. Why so many add items? I don't know. A lot of these were already here. Yeah, for the Windows it is. For this one I know it's not. Yeah. But this one I know it's not. It's just because I wasn't going to have it here permanently, so I didn't want to add it to the schema to then remove it from the schema. Oh, because I was gonna change it. Yeah, but this is only a couple lines. I get what you mean, though. I'll add it up here in main. Bruh. Bruh. Oh, why is this? Oh, I'm just missing the brackets. There we go. Oh, I don't want to be adding it still. Oh, did I already remove it? I think you already did. Yeah. Can't hear you. Ad is playing. Brendan sucks. You can't hear me. Yeet. Suck it. What?
You want a full reference number? 646. Line up closest. One for there.
Oh, sorry. Don't worry. This is
You want a full reference number? 646.
actually what's the big 666. Yeah, don't worry. I'm just talking to myself. I was just reading Discord. Getting the DMs. Okay, so starting desk filters. They're there. It's not adding the file name again. Oh god. So it added them to OBS, but it didn't initialize the file name on them. Shit. Huh. So that's why starting desk is currently invisible.
You want a full reference number?
Because filter no work. Yeah, it's just not populating it with a file. Bruh. 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 Are both things calling the same, like, function? So confused. Bruh. Oh, god damn.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Okay, I'm waiting. Did the old code work this way? You have it in the schema and you're calling out item? No, I'm not adding item. Oh, I thought you removed that. Yep. I thought I got rid of that. So. Let me delete it. That was unintended. I thought it was deleted. Now it's not. Okay, so it's there now with no filters. What the fuck? What? What? What now? Oh, the crate was there. Oh no, it should go further up. That looks... Let me nuke it. Okay. It's there. No filters. And then I think it adds filters the second time through. Once it exists, it adds filters, but without the correct stuff. What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't know.
Do you want a full reference number?
Why does add filter work, but this doesn't? That's some bullshit. We know that's broken. Yep. So add filter works. Just use add item for now, I guess. Okay. Bruh. God, so much is broken. Alright, I'll undo all of that.
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Wait, was it working when we declared it in the thing? Wait. I don't think it was working at all unless I individually did add filter. Right?
Do you want a full reference number?
Yeah, it's only working with add filter. Because the code knows that there's filters there, it's just not applying them in OBS. So yeah, only add filter works. Bruh, 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 bruh. What a bruh moment. Hey, they back with the filters. Underscore 0 underscore strength. No. What is it for? Pixelate has pixel scale. Okay, why isn't that being passed through? What? Oh, that doesn't need quotes because it's a thing. Yeah. Pixel scale 100. Well, that makes it less or more pixelated? That's a good question. That didn't change anything. Fucking wizard. What? Apparently it did change something. I just didn't notice. Let's set scale to like 800. Yeah. Hey, look at that. Now, why can't we see the other filters? What? What? Wait, that's the wrong... That's the wrong thing. Did I not change it? Ah, I didn't change it. That'll do it. They're the same filter. I was like, wait, where the fuck are my scan lines? That'll do it. Hey! That'll definitely do it.
You want a full reference number? 646.
Filter changing the ordering. Hey, there we go. Do 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 do. Pop 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 do. Pop 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 do. Okay, so now I need to scale everything up and then turn the thing up, and I only want it on the BIOS thing, so I don't want it to autoplay, so I want that visibility to be off, and then I can zoom in and then turn it on while it's zooming and then change the other scene, etc, etc. Good fun, good fun, good fun. Alright, so where is this being created again? There it is. Starting scene. So we also want to add in, so let me just turn this off for now. Bonk. That's right. I was trying to do the set audio monitoring type and it kept being angry as fuck. Boop 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 boop. Boop 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 boop. Boop boop. Boop boop. Starting scene dot items. No. Dot name. Yeah. No. Dot items. Dot office sound. Dot name. There we go. Why is that not working? Okay, now it works. But then if I refresh it, it'll break it. Okay, so now it's still working. Cannot read property, source of undefined. Yeah! Okay, so here's the bug. Brendan, if I do a set audio monitor type, oh no, actually, it's not if I do a set audio monitor type, but if I add to scene, the constant gets voided. Like, weirdly. So here's the bug. At the moment, because I've done this set audio monitor type, if I refresh this, it throws this error every time, saying cannot read property source of undefined. Every time I restart it, it'll say that. If I delete the source, the error goes away. Only if it's not being initialized, like only if it doesn't exist in OBS does it not throw that error. Delete the scene, restart it. Error. No error because I deleted it. Restart it again, error. Code crashes. Fucking... But it's saying that the scene doesn't exist. Like the scene constant that we have doesn't exist, apparently, once I do that. I don't fucking know.
Oh, fuck yeah, this is the shit.
I wouldn't call it the shit, but okie dokie.
2 for the pig, 1 for the stink.
If I don't do the set audio monitor type,
1 for the stink.
it doesn't break it.
Switch it around if you want, if you're a real man. Ah, yeah.
God, Frank. Yeah. If I don't have this, it doesn't error. If I do have this, it errors. Fucking weird champ. It's fucking super weird champ. Yeah. I don't know. It's weird. It's weird. With that, I'm probably gonna end off. The bugs are really taking a lot of energy out of me. Cause I'm like, yeah, let's do this today, and then it just doesn't work. And I'm like, yeah, it'd be like that, but it do. I just want to get it working again. I just want to get it working, and I can't just go back to the old code. I mean, like the different branch, like the non-ported version. Because filter animation doesn't work, filters weren't working, and a bunch of other stuff just wasn't working. Yeah. It was good times. Great classic hits. Oof, oof, oof. Hold up, what no work? Oh. If I do set audio monitor type, it breaks the code. It voids out this constant. This scene gets erased. Like, starting scene is now undefined because I added an audio monitor type. Until I delete it from OBS, it stays undefined. It adds the monitor type the first time, and then any subsequent time it tries to add this audio monitor type, it errors out saying that this is no longer declared. And I console logged it, and the starting scene is now undefined if I have a set audio monitor type. Is something overriding it then? Save and reload. Oh. Oh, you're not in the live share anymore. That'll probably be why you can't. It said you left the live share. Ah, yeah. Invite. Oh, you got it? Alright. Will the same link work? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's blank. It's an empty object. I can make that console log work by deleting it in OBS. But as long as it exists in OBS, starting scene is empty in the console log. Was it if I'd... Oh. Then what was creating it? Because it was being recreated in OBS. Oh, was it doing it when it was adding it to main scene? Was main scene.add item calling create on it? But that's, yep. Yes, the scenes can half initialize each other, but it doesn't properly work. That's right, yep. We ran into this earlier. It's got to be called first, yep. Well, that'll do it. And I think that fixed the filters as well. Let me try putting the filters back in then and see if they work. Let me just comment this out. Let me see if that's what was causing the filters to be fucked. Because that'll definitely do it. Yo, good ultimate nerd. Yo, General Bot, how you doing? You wanna ride? Hell yeah. When's the yo counter coming back? Yes. Once we implement a lot of other stuff. Did that fix the filters? I just wasn't calling create. No, okay. Huh. Yeah. I guess that's definitely bugged with it, these. It is good to know that it wasn't me just not calling create. Cool. Hey. Black background is a new source, is a new color source. Could I get a Zadra right side up? Oh, damn it. Oh yeah, objects aren't being removed always. It's a bit weird. Name is black background. And then settings. Color 0. If I go to starting desk, it has black background right at the top. That's... I need to reorder those. That needs to go... here? No. No, that was right there. I just need to redo it. Maybe. Is that the right ordering? Okay, that just didn't make the scene. What? What? Oh, that doesn't have any alpha. What is it? It's like 0x. I'm really enjoying the anime thus far. It's really good. It's really good. Okay, where else do we use color source? Hey, there it is. Turn that off. Bonk. Oh. There. Bonk. There we go. AABB cheat sheet, yeah. Where did I just put that? Yeah. Did that work? Hey, it did. So now I need to fix the ordering. It's office sound, image source, so it needs to go first thing. Okay. Yep. Yeah, there's gonna be a Mario movie. That's gonna be something. Boo, 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 boo. Hey, wait. That should be visible false. What? Oh, it's office sound. I'm an idiot. I need to make BIOS to be visible off. Had the wrong layer turned on. Cause I'm a dummy. Hey, so that doesn't work. Cool, 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 cool. So that's doing the right thing. Now on these filters, I want to change it so it's applying it to the screen. So instead of starting scene, source, Jack Black is Bowser, yeah. I should be able to do I have to do it via main scene? Or can I do camera scene? Oh, not camera scene. Starting scene dot items. Can't he? Oh yeah, it works. Cool. Dot source. Hey, there we go. Let's see if that works. Oh, okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Now if I go into Stream Deck. Instead of console logging, I want it to do starting scene source dot screen dot. Oh, I need to import starting scene. I can't import starting scene. Main scene dot items dot starting scene. Scene dot items dot dot source dot items dot scene.
You want a full reference number? 646.
Screen dot properties. No, set properties. Visible true. Hopefully that works. So if it reinitializes properly, I should be able to hit this key and the bio screen should turn on. Nope. Cannot read property set properties of undefined. Fuck. Shit. Does that need to be source? Ah, yep. Then source doesn't have items. Is it just source.screen? But yeah, source doesn't have items though. Or should it still work? I guess we'll find out on this episode of Dragon Ball Z.
You want a full reference number?
Maybe.
646.
Maybe if it'll. Okay. Nope. Gotta be a better way to do this. But it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know. This is fucky. Fucky wucky ooh ooh.
You want a full reference number? 646.
Wait, I didn't see what you wrote. Oh. Just install starting scene. Alright. Oh, yep. On main and use it here instead. Yep. Easy street. Oh. Oh. Yes. But it doesn't play the video. What? Wait. What? Why isn't that playing? What is playing? Why is it not? Ah, CRT is probably angry at it. No. Oh, it's Pixelate. Why is Pixelate make it angry? Oh, if Pixelate goes above the resolution of the video, it gets really fucky. What? Pixelate just makes it fade out. What? 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 Hold up. Okay, what is this? It's 512 wide by 384. If I set it to 512, it fades out. What? I don't think it is for this one, no. Because it's already pretty low res. Yeah.
You want a full reference number?
Whoop. Well, I was gonna change how it functions, but for now, no. It's not necessary. So then I hit this and it turns on the screen. Oh my god, look at that! Oh, that looks so sick! That looks so fucking sick! Oh, that looks awesome! Yo, what the fuck?
Do you want a full reference number? 646.
Yo, that looks awesome. And then from there, it's meant to zoom in afterwards as well. Which, that's a whole other fucking thing. So it's meant to do that, it does the zoom in, and then as it gets close to filling up the screen, it changes over. But that is, again, a whole other thing. Yep. Yep. I might just make it another scene and just set it to main. Yo, Slee, what the fuck? Slee, what the fuck? Thank you for the tier 3 resub. 13 months in a row. I fucking appreciate it. Thank you for the continued support of the meme stream. I appreciate it. Thank you for supporting us. How you doing, Slee? Get some spices in the chat, you spicy memers. What's poppin'? And it crashed. Oh no, you restarted. Cleanup didn't do its thing. Huh. Weird. Why did cleanup not work? What? Yeah, there's something really fucky going on with cleanup and just removal of stuff in general. Yeah, how good does the wheel look? Oh, Slee, that's not it. Look at the top of stream. Look at the top of stream. Uh-oh. What? 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 No, why is that stop working? No! Wait, why did that break? Hold up. Hype train begin. Should run this animation. Wait. Wait. Oh, what? 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 Oh, it's just 2 down on the stack. Okay, ignore. Look at this. It's the new hype train thing. Isn't it cool? Doo doo doo. So that's not all. That's not all. So it animates in, and then when a level comes in, it changes in like, and then when you finish a level, it's gonna turn golden, and then it finishes and it slides out. Yo. Yo. It's so good. And then every time it levels up, it plays the train horn. It works. It works right now. The other things of like the discounts at certain levels, that logic's not implemented, and other visual things aren't implemented. But all of this, it will work. I want garlic powder, or you think it'll be stale before I use it all? Possibly stale. And then it'll just slide out at the end of the hype train. Fuck, it looks so cool. It's getting there. It really is. Whoop. God damn, it looks cool. So yeah, we haven't had a hype train yet to test it, but I'm excited when it does. I'm excited when it does. $26 for 5.5 pounds, so the deal isn't bad at all. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all, yeah. That's really not bad. Do 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 do. Alright. So camera's still fucked, but that's okay. Alright, let me add that to this. Yeah. Oh, is TTS working again? Shit, that's a good question, because I think TTS broke because generic sound broke. Let me try testing out TTS again, because I fixed generic sound, but I think TTS... Test my dude.
Test my dude.
Hey! TTS is working again. Let's go. Oh. Uh-oh. Max listeners exceeded warning. Possible event middle leak. Memory leak detected. 11 media added listeners. Oh, God. It's adding event listeners and not removing them. Bruh. Good Lord. Well, that's good fun. Right? At least the hype train's working and it looks fucking sick. So there's going to be a glow around the bar as well. Let me give you an example. So there's going to be a glow around the bar. SDF, yes. Outer glow that will change colors depending on what level the hype train is. Oni-chan. And then I go in here and I can just do a user-defined shader, give it a little shimmy shake. Bazinga. I suggest a little personal hot for my desk at work and I'm in love with making my lunch with it. How good is fucking hot pot? How fucking good is it? Okay, what is going on here? Oh, I gotta do effect. Reload. Look at that little thing up top there, just freaking its shit out. It's so good. It looks so derpy. It looks so fucking derpy. I saw it. It looks really good. Where did you get it? Is it just sitting on its own little hot plate? That's so cool. I think Sarah's gonna be very jealous. Sarah's gonna be very jealous. And then it just disappears. Whoop. Amazon? Damn. You guys have such cool shit on Amazon in America. Bo-bo-do-bo-do-bo-do. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-da-ba-do-ba-dee. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ah. Shut down properly. It got angry and it crashed. Shaders be like that though. Look at Hype Train losing its shit. Yeah, I should be back up now. Stream should be back. Oh, that's a really nice shake effect. I like that. There we are. That looks really cool. Then it just slides out. If it just slides It just slides out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I need to reconnect it. Whoops. Whoosh. 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 And whoosh. And then whooshes out. And then it whooshes back. And then whooshes out. And it whooshes back. Yeah. I'm probably gonna call stream here. I'm big tired. There's probably not gonna be a stream tomorrow. Because we're going into the city for Riverfire, which I'm very excited for. I might do some coding before stream tomorrow, but OBS has a lot more bugs in it. Simple OBS has a lot of bugs in it that we gotta fix so that we can keep integrating and implementing stuff. At the moment, when the animation runs, it's not saving its last known position. Yeah, which is good fun. Also, just doing it on stream is a bit stressful, so I want to try and get as much done so I can start streaming again, especially gameplay. I want to do game streams, implement some of the redemptions we had. I want to put Rip back in. I want to put Rage back in. Some of them are just going to take a while because I don't want to put the effort in to do them in case syntax changes, because then I have to change a shit ton of lines of code. But I'm just figuring out how to build it in code again, which is good fun. But we're going to go find someone to raid. And I'll see you memers again on Sunday. So yeah, we got Riverfire tomorrow, which is in the city. So I'm going in there with some friends and there's fireworks and stuff. And then I'll be back on Sunday. Yo! Vandalad. This just needs a bunch of coding work. Pretty much. It just takes time because I have to build all, like, everything in code. And I'm like learning the new syntax and I'm learning the new code base, and we run into bugs every now. Like right now, my camera's broken because linking is fucked. So we got to figure that out. We got to figure out the animation engine and why that's fucked. And then we got to figure out a bunch of stuff. Yeah, we got to figure out how to do it. And as we go, we figure out whether I'm doing it wrong or whether there's a bug in the code. It's about a 50-50 at this point as to which one it is. Which is good fun. But yeah, hopefully I can get my camera working again by Sunday. I'll do some coding with Brendan if he's available, and we can hopefully try and fix some of that stuff. Whatever. I think it's linking that's just not adding it as a content source properly. But linking is a whole other thing, so we got to figure that out. Okay. Yeah, let's go send Fred some love. I thank you for hanging out, memers. I appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. No, I won't see you tomorrow. I'll see you on Monday. No, Sunday. Blech. I need to shut the fuck up. I'll see you on Sunday. Also, don't forget to watch Tanaka-san. It's always listless. Because that's our anime for this week. And it's pretty good. So watching that. And it's good fun. But thank you all for hanging out. Send Fred some nice memes, and I'll see you memers on Sunday. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, one of those was fucked. There we go. See you memers. Go send Fred some love. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. The ducted aircon is fantastic, by the way. Holy shit. It was a 30-degree day today, and the ducted just took the edge off so much. It made this room so much more manageable. Yeah. I'll see you Monday. Always go to say tomorrow, but I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye. Hopefully back to a normal schedule soon. See yous. Nice memes. All that good stuff. Bye-bye.